Hello there, my name is Omkar Sharma. Welcome to my channel The Health Wish. In this channel you will find some genuine reviews and genuine talks about some health related products out there. So in this video we are going to discuss about this teaburn, how this teaburn works, what will this powder do with your body. So it will help you to reduce your belly fat. Yes, you heard it right. This teaburn is a powder that claims that it will help you to lose your belly fat. So in this video we are going to find out how this thing works and how it will help you to reduce your belly fat. So let's get straight into it. It is very simple to take this teaburn. The procedure is automatic and straightforward. You just have to take 1 spoon of this teaburn and mix it with any liquid, your coffee, your juice, your tea, whatever you want, and you are ready to go. Because it is a powdery form, it is very easy to take this teaburn. It corrects metabolic problems and enhances them to the point where the body begins to lose weight on its own. Teaburn is a beneficial product that works to help drug addicts burn fat and lose weight while also decolorizing their teeth. It is only available online on its authorized website. Unlike other seasoned tea, Maculage's teaburn is unflavored. It boosts metabolism and is described as the world's first and only 100% safe natural personal patent pending product. It also inhibits hunger and promotes health, assisting drug addicted in losing weight. Most importantly, teaburn is made up of just natural ingredients that work together to help it achieve its goals. It contains no artificial colors or stimuli. The flavorless grease paint is loaded with proven weight loss ingredient. Teaburn is a product especially designed in an odorless way and is tasteless. Even if you consume it with your caffeinated drink such as coffee, you won't feel any change in the taste, and that is a thing we need to appreciate. So if you want to try this teaburn, then make sure to click the link in the description. If you order it today, you can get a 30-day supply of teaburn for a simple one-time fees of $49, and they are giving you 60 days money back guarantee as well. So if you don't like this teaburn, or if it doesn't work for you, you can just return it within 60 days of buying it. And if you use the description link to buy this teaburn, you will get 75% discount and you will save $148. So it is a good deal. So if you want to try this teaburn and you want to get 75% discount, then make sure to click the link in the description and like the video. If the information I given to you was informative to you, comment down below if you have any doubts regarding this teaburn. You will get your solution as soon as possible, and subscribe this channel for more genuine talks like this. Take care, and I will see you in a bit.